Hi there, students. Recce, a recce, or to recce. Okay, this is a military term. It's short for reconnaissance. Notice the Americans would use the word recon, to recon or a recon, but in informal English, a recce. So the sergeant sent two men on a recce to get information about enemy forces, about their position. Yeah, or maybe they sent out an aircraft on a recce mission. The Americans would say a recon mission. But we also use recce, meaning to look around somewhere, to quickly visit somewhere and have a look around and discover what information you can about it. So I did a quick recce of the area and then found a good place to wait with my camera. Sounds like the paparazzi. Yeah. Okay, so to recce, to look round a place, to have a quick look for information. Before deciding to buy the flat, I decided to recce the area. Just have a quick look round and see what you think. Yeah, to size up a situation. I sent a friend to recce the situation. We were thinking about buying this business, so I sent several people to recce the business, to find out about it, to look at it, to find information of it, to reconnoiter. Yeah, to reconnoiter. That's a more formal word. Yeah, to go around and have a look so that you know what you're going to face. Yeah, he recce'd the area. He went. I sent a friend to recce the party, so he could come back and tell me that there were lots of people there who looked really interesting, or that it was absolutely empty. So notice as well, to recce, a regular verb. He recce'd the area. He has recce'd for me before. He has done a recce for me. Notice this is probably informal. I think I would probably give it a 4 informality. I think maybe to reconnoiter would be a better, much more formal word to use. Okay, and then as to origin, well, it comes from the French verb reconnaître, to recognize. Yeah, and I think maybe that in itself probably comes from a Latin root as well. Yeah, from reconnaissance, or medieval Latin recogniscentia. Okay, recognizing or acknowledgement. Okay, so for informality, don't use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, just in an informal conversation. To recce, to scout out, to explore, especially in a military situation, or also in a medical situation. A surgeon may want to do a recce by sending in some probes before undertaking an operation. Like that, you can gain information about it. Okay, so to recce, to have a quick look round and see what there is. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To recce.